Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit product images on Canva. So in here, I've already opened the Canva apps and I'm going to just start by clicking on the plus icon at the bottom. Here I'm going to use a square format. So I'm going to use this Instagram post size. So after the canvas is open, you can just add your image into this canvas. So I'm going to go to gallery and upload the image. Okay, so here I've already add the image photos into the product photos into the canvas. And first I'm going to remove the background. So I'm going to go to effects and use this background remover. Okay, just wait until the background is removed like this. Okay, just close it and I'm going to rotate it like this. And after that I'm going to add a shadow effect. So go to effects and click on effects again. Here click on shadow. So I'm going to use this glow, or I think the drop. Here you can always adjust the blur amount, the angle, and also the distance. Okay, you can also adjust the intensity. If you want to, you can also make it bigger like this. And this is basically it. You can just click on download to save the image. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.